Sachin is saying right now Bank Nifty taking resistance from VWAP, but VWAP is almost flat plus context is not in favor of bearish trade. Should it be avoided? Yeah, you are seeing that we are getting resisted, all right, at the VWAP. Okay. Now see, even if you short here, okay, you believe that intraday trading guidelines, we are inside yesterday's value area, but we haven't taken out yesterday's high in an uptrend, that is bearish. And I believe that we are at the VWAP, I should take a short trade. You can, but then also keep your expectations small. Okay. So if you're going against the main trend because the trade facilitation is not so good because we haven't taken out yesterday's high and all, then you can take a short here. All right. And then don't expect it to fall to, let's say, this trend day VWAP. It can, but don't expect it to do that. All right. Let's say it comes near yesterday's low, you can book your profits and not be too greedy about it. Make sense? So why I'm saying that is because we have some conflict. All right, conflict as in, let's say if it was like this and you were trying to go long, I would have encouraged you to do that for a test of yesterday's high. Why? Because we are with the main trend, but now you're going against the main trend. All right. And also it's not like a very clear we are accepting below yesterday's low and then there is a pullback. It's not like that. We are still within yesterday's range. So even if you take a short here, don't expect too much out of it and keep your stop losses small. So be ready to lose some money in such situations because it may not work out. But given the fact that VWAP is becoming flat, it is always better to miss an opportunity than getting trapped in the wrong trade. So if you give me a choice, Dean, this is a little bit confusing. I am not okay trading here. I will always support. Instead, if you come to me and say, this is not looking good, I will take some risk here. Okay. And I'll try to book out at a smaller target. I will not stop you, but I would prefer the option of not trading at all unless clarity emerges. Always remember, like, uh, as traders, our primary responsibility is not to grow our capital, it is to protect our capital, because by default our capital will erode. Okay. If you don't do anything, if you don't work hard, if you don't try to protect your capital, smart money will eat away your capital slowly and steadily. You won't even realize what happened, right? So the default nature of the capital is to reduce. Now, so our job is, primary responsibility is to protect our capital. And once we become good at it, then try to grow our capital. So that's what you should do.